That's what we do now. We just force you to do everything quickly. And you see that. Alright, so who found the error? Line 1, line 2, line 3, or line 4? Tyler? Line 2, what is the error? So error analysis is a part of your exam. You'll look at work like this, and some of the problems will even be longer. And you'll have to correct the error. So the error is right here. And it's cited as the addition property of equality. But what should have happened there? Should have been subtraction, because right now you would have an 18. We would have an 18 if we added 9. So the correction would be to use the subtraction property of equality. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to look at some really formal questions written by the county based on importance standards. It was up there forever.
It really was up there forever, Patrick.
Is there only one question for Ballard? You can call these next questions Ballard if you want. Or classwork or anything. Yeah. No, just did line 2 had the error. So some of these questions are going to be more basic than others. So what they've done here is, if you look at the top in bold, those are technical standards. Like MA stands for mathematics. 9 through 12 is what that 912 is. And then CED 1.1, that's just like a certain part of the curriculum. So when you read all those like symbols, it just says math 9 through 12, and then it states part of the curriculum. And that's national requirements for our public schools. Sure, go ahead. Yeah, number 1.
Terry wants to use the $250 he has saved to buy a new music player and join a music club. The music player costs $79. The club has $25 membership fee and then charges $14.95 per month for 30 downloads per month. Oh, rent, installment, and equality to determine the number of months of membership that Carrie can afford. Show your work and explain what any variable you use represents.
So I do see some, there's one extra number that's not necessary.
The $30 per month.
The $30 per month is not necessary. You just write something, anything. Most of the a majority of the questions on your exam are multiple choice. They won't be like open like this, you know. So these will be, more challenging, some of them, than what you'll see on your exam.
Yeah. I don't feel like talking.
I would say that you are using it.
Absolutely not, miss.
The 30 is necessary for 14. No, they are members. I think no. It costs $14.95. You have to have your music player though.
I can't see.
There's a desk here too.
Over here.
No, I can see. I can see.
I did the roller coaster.
Okay, so
This is correct. 250 equals 79 plus 25 plus 14.
alright, we got 250 saved up. We're gonna buy a music player for 79. Oh, you can call it classwork or bell work, whatever you want. All right, we also have to buy $25 membership fee. Player fee and $14.95 per month. So the word per is usually where your variable goes, right? So it says per month, so that's where I put it in. So the key word here is inequality. So that means we need to use this symbol, or this symbol, or this symbol, or this symbol. These are inequality symbols. So if you did equal signs, go back and rethink it. It's an inequality. So this is the amount that Carrie has. This is the money we own. You can't spend more money than you own. Without a credit card. He just says it's $250. So the money you spend has to be less than or equal to the money you have. The money you spend must be less than the money you have. So for inequalities, maybe you highlight this. You know, maybe starting right here in your notebook, you start highlighting little tips for yourself to study before your exam.
I broke it again.
We're gonna find.
Alright, so now we have to solve this inequality. And it says also, show your work and explain what any variable you use represents. That means kind of next to our work, we're going to say that M equals the number of months of membership. Yeah.
Can the 250 go on the right side and then the equation on the left side?
Yes. Yes. So another correct way to write that.
Yeah.
Is this all like all of you guys had it written?
I have
Why are you asking?
Both are good.
Who said you could laugh?
Alright, so let's solve it. Go ahead. Did anybody come up with the number of months yet? 9 months, perhaps.
It's not going to be equal. So you just gotta round down. The answer's 9.76. But you know, half a month of.
You need to do Stop talking. I was trying to say this. Miss, you see the encouragement I'm giving them? Then you divide it by 18.95. Answer is approximately 4.6. 5.6, sorry. 6.6.
What is the answer?
9.
What can you tell me the decimal?
9.7.
9.7?
Actually, 9.8.
Patrick, can you like get it right?
Hey, Jake, I want to see you do the math.
You want me to do it?
Do the math.
Well, this is tricky. This means that. Wow, you're gonna get that wrong. That's really sad.
Miss, I wouldn't get that wrong, honestly. I got it.
Number. Oh, you're right. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Carrie can join for 9 months. You can't go up to 10. Yeah.
Emily's party was lit last night, guys.
You're absolutely right. All right. The freshman spirit club took a trip to the state fair. There were 59 students and 6 chaperones. Gosh, so many questions like that. And the total admission cost for the group was $508. Student tickets cost 2 more than chaperone tickets. Write and solve an equation to find the cost of student tickets. Write down anything.
Miss, are you gonna check this word?
Yeah, I'm giving you credit every day.
Freaking chocolate ball.
Wait, don't ever set it aside yet.
What? Why are you giving me that voice? Like, I won't send you this office.
Alright, Gabe, have you written anything yet for it?
No.
Oh my god.
Because you can't see.
I can see.
All these excuses.
You can't, have you written anything yet?
Like, it's supposed to be career day. What's looking out? I will.
Alright, so student tickets cost 2 more than chaperone tickets. That's the first equation I saw.
S equals 2 plus C.
Student tickets cost 2 more than chaperone tickets. Students equals 2 plus the chaperone tickets. Now, 59 students plus 6 chaperone tickets cost $508. 59 student tickets with 6 chaperone tickets gave us $508 as a total cost. So here, this isn't a good equation because there's 2 unknowns. So we're going to have to substitute in. We know that S is 2 plus C, so we're going to take this S out. And we're going to put 2 plus C in. And this puts everything kind of in the same context. Our $508 was the 6 chaperone tickets and 59 of these tickets, which were just like chaperone tickets but $2 more. Now I'm going to give you a moment to solve it. Find the cost of a student ticket.
So first, I have to distribute 59 in. Stop looking at my picture. Viewer, thank you. My fear. Stop talking. YouTube. You look like Sid from Toy Story. Is Tony here?
No.
This is $3.90. Was it like 30? 36. Let's just see. Okay, what's the answer to the question? That's not the answer.
You just looked up
The chaperone tickets cost $6. $6.
Oh, 8.
It's 8. 8's the answer.
Oh wait.
The question says, write and solve an equation to find the cost of student tickets.
Oh.
Show your work and
Oh,
explain the
tickets.
meaning. So, going back, well, the way the information was provided, we solved for chaperones, but we know that student tickets are just $2 more than chaperone tickets. So you have to go back, reread, and see, did we solve for the correct variable before you answer it? So chaperone tickets are $6. Student tickets are $8. All right, we'll do one more.
What are we doing after that?
A different review. Okay, I put this one on your ballot to get you thinking about property. So go ahead and show the work and the property for each step. So from step 1 to step 2, 9 turned into 7, the 2 disappeared. So 2 is subtracted from both sides of the equal line. Subtraction property of equality. And then the opposite of multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. So that's the division property of equality. That's the answer.
What about step 3?
Oh, wow. Do you see the problem up there? Up here, the first step was to add x to both sides. Show that. Yeah, that last one's just answer. Step 2 is answer. Alright, so we're gonna do an overall review on the Chromebooks to get you guys thinking about all the things that we covered this year.